Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to simplify and find the value of this radical expression 12,321 plus 12,456 times 12,234, and we are not supposed to be using a calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's focus on these two numbers, 12,456 and 12,234. Now we can see that their difference is equal to 222, and the half of 222 equals to 111. Therefore, 12,456 could be written as 12,345 plus 111, and likewise 12,234 could be written as 12,345 minus 111. Therefore, I am going to replace this first number by this one, and this second number by this one, as you can see in this next step. And now let's focus on these two parentheses, and here I have copied them down. And now let's recall this famous identity: a plus b times a minus b could be written as a square minus b square. Let's go ahead and apply over here. So therefore we can write this one as 12,345 whole square minus 111 whole square. And now let's recall these special patterns. 11 times 11 is 121, and 111 times 111 is 12,321. And we can see, since we are dealing with the two digits, no wonder we have a 2 in the middle. Since we are dealing with the three digits over here, no wonder we got 3 in the middle, and goes on and on. Now since 111 times 111 is same as 111 whole square, so therefore I am going to replace this 111 square by this number 12,321. So therefore we can write this thing as 12,345 whole square minus 12,321. Therefore I am going to replace this whole thing by this simplified form, as you can see in this next step. And now we can see these positive and negative, they cancel each other out, so we simply ended up with the square root of 12,345 whole square. And now we can see this square and square root, they undo each other, so we simply ended up with the 12,345. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be 12,345. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.